Hi, we're back with the third part of Thunderpole T-3000. This time it's a look at the expanded part of the radio, which I paid for using my own money. I've dug out an old frequency counter. It's been in the cupboards for donkey's years, more than 20. So here's the box for it. I'll have to invest in a new one, but for demonstration purposes, just to show that the radio is expanded. It's got 10 banks of 40 plus UK channels and also EU. I will switch this on. I don't know if this frequency counter is spot on, but we'll find out. I'll turn the radio on. Channel 1, UK FM 27601. We'll press it again. Go to the EU channels on FM 26965. We'll roll it back to 40, 27405. And of course, when I press it again, it goes to AM, and I press it again, it goes back to the UK. Right, those 10 expanded channels. So we go up. The first band is RA, and keep pressed in so it's there. Channel 40, 26.055. Now we'll go to 1, 25.615. So AM, FM on the channels, on these expanded channels I should say. So we press it in again, we go up, we come up to RB, long press. Number 1 is 26.065. Don't know how well it's picking up on the camera, but I shall find out later when I finish this video. I'll go to 40, 26.505. And I press again, RB. I'm just using the up and down in the background. I'm just using the up and down arrows on the mic. RB, press it again. This time we've got 26.505. And we go, we go 201, 26.065. Give it a press again so we get the AM FM. Press it, there we go to RB, to RC, long press, key the mic, 26.515. Right, go to 40, 26.955. I don't know whether I forgot to mention it. I've got a dummy load in the back, so I'm not keying over anybody as we go through these frequencies. So we've had 40, 26955. Press it again, goes to FM, hold it in a little bit. From RC we go to RD, press the band again. 40 is 27.405 and go up, key the mic, 26.965. Hold it in, RD, we go to RE. Sorry, just got a drink of water. Throat's getting a bit dry. RE, hold the band in again, run 01, 27.415. So move it back, 27.855. Hold it in again, RE. We go to RF, hold the band switch again. We're on 40, which is 28.305. Go back. Sorry, go forward, 27.865. So we hold the band in again. From RF we go to R9 or RG. So it looks like a 9 anyway. So anyway, press the band again, key the mic, 28.315. 40, 28.755. Of course you can move it AM and FM. Hold the band switch again, come to the next one, RH. Long press, key the mic, 29.205. Go to channel 1, 28.765. Right, all band switch again, RH, go to RI or R1 as it's on the screen. I have to remind you, like, you know, that if you transmit outside the CB bands, on the amateur bands, you need a license. I'll just get that in. Keying the mic, 29.215. Go back, 29.655. Hold the band switch again. R1, we go to RL. Here's the mic. 30.105. That's channel 40. And channel 1 is 29.665. Press the band switch again. RL. We're back to the UK. I'll press it back in. Channel 1 UK FM 27601. And if I press it again, it goes to the EU channels, 26.965. And I move the channel backwards. It's got 27.405. Right. So very quickly, press the band switch. UK. You got UK and EU channels. RA, RB, RC, RD, RE, RF, R9 or G, RH, RI, R1, RL, and then back to UK. Back to the UK channels. Right. Where else? Oh yeah, a few things out. The obvious is when you switch the radio on, the 4 soft rubber, I think it's soft rubber, or soft buttons anyway. There's 4 soft on this side and 2 for the channel change, and then you've got your squelch. Now this other one, the colour dim, you can change the colour obviously as I demonstrated before. Right, green, that should show up alright, but if you hold it in you can actually dim it. You dim, put it back. On the right here, the squelch and auto squelch, you've got the Thunderpole logo. Next to that is 2 holes, and that's probably for a wireless dongle or Bluetooth, whatever. Also here, all the way around the radio, turn her off for a bit, it's rubber. There's like a rubber border. On the back we've got, I think that's, yeah, that'll be the power nasty thing. Oh, let's take it off. Fiddly with one hand. Switch this off. I'll do this. Yeah. Right. There's, turn it right round. There's the date of the security seal, which is different from the others. You've got the bung, and it says mic. Now, if you've got a dongle for a wireless mic at the front or Bluetooth mic, why would you need a big space like that, even though it says mic on? Yeah, that's just about it. Okay, 73s, and on to the next video.